Hello, my name is Alexis and today we're doing this look right here, which is the August tutorial in the Too Faced Beauty Boss Lady Beauty Agenda palette. I keep forgetting what it's called. Okay, so let's just read it. August says, my spirit animal is a unicorn. Alright. Dream come true. Some of us were just born to be wild. Create a magical look that is out of this world using these sparkly, dreamy shades. Okay. See, I don't know, like when I was looking at the page and I was like, yeah, unicorn. Okay, this is not the look that I would associate with a unicorn. It's still really pretty. I like it. But I don't know about it being a unicorn. So there's that. So I want to say before we get started, the weather's all over the place, so my lighting does change throughout the video, and I am very sorry for that. I'm sorry if it's annoying. I don't have any artificial lights. I use my window, so there's that. So I'm sorry about the lighting, but I hope you enjoy anyway. So let's just get started. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed. Let's move on to the fun stuff. So step one, if I can open the book, is to sweep Deck the Malls into crease and blend outwards. So they mean blend outwards like in a wing shape, but I'm not going to do that because wing shapes don't work on my eyes. So Deck the Malls is this kind of purpley gray shade. It looks more gray on camera than it does in real life. There's definitely like a little kiss of purple in there. So I'm just going to pick that up. This is not soap culture. I can like dip my brush into it. And I'm just going to shove this in my crease. In and above my crease. I forgot what I was saying for a second. Wow. I got a really late start to the day, so my brain's not awake yet. So I'm just going to shove this in here. Wow, beautiful, great, fantastic. Okay, I'm going to flip step 2 and step 3, because step 2 is the lid shade and step 3 is the outer corner, and I like to do the outer corner first. So step 3 is to blend Christmas Carol into outer corner of lid. Okay, so Christmas Carol, where are you? Where is it? Is this really deep blue here, and they want me to put that on the outer corner, outer third-ish kind of area. Okay, so I'm going to pick up Christmas Carol. Haven't used this shade yet, so this will be new for all of us. I feel like I didn't pick anything up. Okay, let's try. Hi, you on the bed? Okay, so outer, it doesn't say to put it in the crease, so I'm just putting it in this, right? I'm not putting it in the crease. Let me look. That doesn't seem right at all. Nope, just in the outer third. Okay. I don't like that at all, but alright. So I'm just putting this in this outer, like, third-ish area. Yeah, Jezzy, I think so too. I mean, that's fine. I'm going to blend the edges into the crease, but we're not actually applying it into the crease. Alright, sure. Okay, let me blend these edges. Ooh. Okay, there's that. Okay, and so then we can revert back to step 2, which is press iced out onto lid and inner corner. Okay, iced out, where is it? Which is this, it's almost like bluey green, kind of silver, this one up here. You can see that, right? It's like bluey green, it's not like silver. Alright, so I'm going to put that on the lid and the inner corner. So let me just put this on the lid first. Okay, that's kind of working. Alright, there we go, it's a little better. Okay, and I'm just going to blend where it meets that blue here. Just going to wiggle my brush back and forth. Okay, that's good enough for me. I'm not going to do the inner corner yet. Okay, so the next step, eyeshadow wise, is line lash line with black tie. I'm so tired of lining my lash line with black tie. Oh my god. It's not even like that pigmented of a black that's in here. I've complained about this before. I'm gonna do it anyways. I like it without the black though. This is gonna ruin it. Especially on my eyes. I'm gonna keep it as tight to the lash line as I can get it. Because I don't want to actually do this. Okay, so there are all the instructions for the eyeshadow at the top. I still am forever bothered that there's no instructions for what to do with the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that blue shade, what was it called? Christmas Carol, and put that on the lower lash line. This is already making my eyes look really brown. So I'm going to put that on the lower lash line and then go back in with, where to go, Iced Out, and put that on the inner corner. Like I'm supposed to. Okay, so Christmas Carol, I'm going to put this all the way across. I don't really wear blue. I should wear blue more often. Alright, all the way across. And make sure you blend. Where's the brush? Okay, and then take Iced Out again. And put this in the inner corner. And I think I'm going to do the brow bone with it too. Just lightly on the brow bone though. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done. The next step I'm going to do off camera, and then we'll go back to the face steps. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and waterline. Where is it? Liner. And curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be back. So here are the eyes done. I do really like it. I wish there was a little bit more in the crease, but it's still good. Like, it's not a weird look like some other ones are. So let's finish off the face. So the instructions go back to blush and highlight. So I am going to contour and put bronzer on first. So I'm taking my Kevyn Aucoin powder, like I always do, and I'm just going to give myself some cheekbones. So this look is so pretty. I really like this. I just want like a touch of something else in the crease. Just like a teeny tiny bit of it, you know? I'm not asking for a lot here. It's raining, so I am sorry for the change in light. I'm putting bronzer on. I will spare you my chocolate Soleil rant this time. Back to the instructions. Oh, if I can get the book open. I can never open this stupid thing. Hello, open. What's wrong with you? Okay. Next up, blend Will You Marry Me onto cheeks. So that is the blush shade. Let me clean off my blush brush. It is pouring. Okay, so Will You Marry Me, this like peachy blush in here. The only blush in there, but you know what I mean. Just popping that on my cheeks. I feel like when I wear this blush, this is the most like color on my cheeks I ever wear. Pop that on there. Cool beans. Wow, it's so dark. I think having this light on helps, so I guess we'll leave it. Alright, Cupid's bow, or that's not my Cupid's bow. Down the nose. And now on my Cupid's bow. I was just so excited to highlight my Cupid's bow. Okay. So there's no lip, as usual. So, oh, now I definitely need to make sure my computer screen stays lit or else it gets dark. There's no lip as usual. The lip she's wearing in the picture is kind of like this soft baby pink kind of color. So I am going to use Pink Plaid from MAC. So here's the finished look. I do really like it. I really like how this turned out. It's really pretty. I just want something else, a teeny tiny bit of the blue in the crease. But otherwise, it's a really pretty look. I really like this. Like, I would wear this to a thing. I don't know. A function, I guess. But it is really pretty. I do really like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, I am sorry about the lighting. That's kind of one of my things on my list of things to get for my videos is a light, but I can't get one yet. So I'm sorry about the lighting again, but I hope you still enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye!